In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 49, which covers verse 126 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addressed the prayer of Abraham for a blessed sanctuary. Up to this point, we've covered the first 125 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Qur'an deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Qur'an. Let us now begin with verse 126.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ رَبِّ اجْعَلْ هَذَا بَلَدًا آمِنًا وَارْزُقْ أَهْلَهُ مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ مَنْ آمَنَ مِنْهُمْ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ قَالَ وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَأُمَتِّعُهُ قَلِيلًا ثُمَّ أَضْطَرُّهُ إِلَى عَذَابِ النَّارِ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
And when Abraham prayed, O my Lord, make this a place of security and provide those of its people that believe in Allah and the last day with fruits for sustenance, Allah answered, and I shall still provide him who disbelieves with the wherewithal for this short life, and then I shall drive him to the chastisement of the fire. That is an evil end. The words of the verse.
قَالَ وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَأُمَتِّعُهُ قَلِيلًا ثُمَّ أَضْطَرُّهُ إِلَى عَذَابِ النَّارِ.
Allah answered, and I shall still provide him who disbelieves with the wherewithal for this short life. Here a distinction is made between honoring a people by entrusting it with the religious leadership and guidance of the world, and bestowing on it an abundant means of livelihood. When Abraham inquired who merited world leadership, it was made clear to him that only his truly believing and righteous children, to the exclusion of the wrongdoing ones, were worthy of it. This occasioned God to clarify that the religious leadership of the world was quite distinct from its livelihood. Men of faith alone were entitled to the former, whereas both believers and unbelievers would be provided the latter. If someone enjoys abundant material wealth, it should not be misconstrued to mean that God is necessarily pleased with him, and that he has been designated by God to provide religious guidance to the world. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 49, covering verses 126 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Insha'Allah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 127. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Qur'an and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, Insha'Allah, and Allah Hafiz.